Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Abiyam Arafat Kubir. I'm a student of Department of Tripoli, Daffodil International University. I'm from Sherpur, currently live in Ashulia Shawar in Dhaka. I have completed my SSC from Tengorpara High School and completed my ACC from Notre Dame College, Moymonsinh. Now I am pursuing my Tripoli degree from Daffodil International University. Daffodil International University is the most prestigious institution all over the country. In this context, one student, one laptop is definitely a great innovative. Daffodil Computer Limited is successfully fulfilled their commitment from this beginning. I am honored to be a part of this program. Daffodil International University is making a significant combination of building design Bangladesh. In this age, information technology education is largely technological developed, but many students are deprived this opportunity. Thanks to Daffodil Computer Limited for getting everyone out of their limitation. I have completed a basic online course at Government Youth Development Organization, and I have completed an online course on digital marketing and web developing. I eagerly waiting from this opportunity to start my freelancing career. Besides that, I am a member of Daffodil Tripoli Club, so that this program will help me to do my club working more organizedly. This laptop will help me to find and collect all the study material online. It will also help me to build up our communication and networking. It will help me to follow my hobby and passions as well, so that I am cordially waiting from this opportunity. In the end, thanks to Daffodil International University again.